All right, October, Halloween, autumn is here, but also this year it's the 110th anniversary of Phillipe's in Los Angeles. And they're having a kind of special going on. So I thought I'd make my Phillipe style French dip. This is the quick and easy version. Now, this is just made with consomme and lots of roast beef, a baguette, a little bit of Dijon mustard. That's it. Like, there's 4 ingredients in here. Now, obviously, you're not going to get exactly the same flavors you would at Phillipe's, where they spend hours roasting and getting the drippings and all that kind of stuff. But the way we do it, by putting the beef into the consomme for a bit, it's, well, makes me happy. Look at that. You just dip it and absolute juiciness. Yeah. Yeah, I'd go all the way to LA for this. I don't have to. I have it right here in Osaka. Let's go in the kitchen and make some quick and easy Phillipe style French dip sandwiches right now. So making these French dip sandwiches is really easy because there's very few ingredients we need. What I've got here is, of course, a nice long baguette, which has been split down the middle, split in half, so we can make a sandwich out of it. The beef, mountain of beef. That's 1.5 pounds or 680 grams of thinly sliced roast beef. And that's going to be piled up on here. It's going to be big, thick, lots of meat in there. It's the way it's served at Phillipe, is the way I love it. And here I've got 2 15-ounce cans of beef consomme. Now, you don't need quite that much, but there's nothing worse than when you've got the dip out there and you're dipping it and you run low. Also, it makes it easier to heat up our beef. So when there's leftover, which there probably will be, that's okay, because coming up recipe after this is a fantastic buttery consomme rice with shiitake mushrooms, and you can use a leftover consomme in that. So let's get this into a pot. What we're going to do is we just want to bring it up, heat it up, get it nice and hot. We're not really cooking it, we're just heating it. Now while that's heating up, let's prep up the baguette here with some mustard. This is 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Now, not to be mixed up with Dijonnaise. This is a sharper mustard. If you have a look at focusing ingredients, I talk about the 3 different mustards that we use here in the kitchen and why we use them. So this one here, bit of a sharper. It's gonna, because there's a lot of volume here. We want this to pop through there a little bit. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just spread this across the bottom piece of the baguette. Okay, now we just sit back, maybe have a glass of red wine or something while we wait for the consomme to come up to heat. All right, that's just starting to come to a simmer. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add the roast beef into here. All we're doing here is we're heating up the roast beef a little bit, getting it all juicy with this consomme or au jus. Also, look at that. That is adding extra flavor to our bouillon. Actually, it's like a symbiotic relationship. They're both giving each other flavor. It's fantastic. All right, let's put that off to one side. It's like not even a minute in here. Okay, just that's it. We've heated it up a bit. Good enough. Now, start taking the meat out and just stacking it. All right, there we go. So it looks like it's impossible when you first start. You try to put that whole 1.5 pounds of beef on there, but you work it back and forth, you get it on there, put this on top, and squish it down. There we go. Now, You want to get a little bit extra flavor? Pull this back off. Take a ladle, take some of this juice, and drizzle it across the bun. So it's like pre-dipping it. We're going to be dipping this in juice too, but we're really pre-dipping it a bit. Just a little bit like that. Now we put that back together again. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Counter is a mess, but this is going to be a delicious mess. So, to serve it, just cut it. This I would cut it into 4. This makes 4 beautiful sandwiches. So we're going to go about there, and just for fanciness, we'll cut a bit of an angle. And there is one of our sandwiches right there. Look at that beauty. All right, then when you go to serve this up to everybody gets their own dipping bowl. So I like to use these, I can't remember what they're called. The bowls I use usually for making desserts and souffles and things. Put that there. Then the way to eat it is just take this, dip it, and kind of reminds me of being at Phillipe's. All right, so enjoy these. Fantastic. Enjoy these. Celebrate Phillipe's 110th birthday. And just have fun eating this. They are a little messy, fantastically delicious. Enjoy. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for quick and easy Phillipe-style French dip sandwiches on our website. Also, be sure to check out our kitchen tech and focus on ingredients videos and see the difference between the mustards that we use in Kuma's kitchen and other things that will help you in the kitchen. Now, go print out the recipe, have fun making and eating these delicious Phillipe-style sandwiches, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.